Hello kids! Today we are going to learn alphabet. Are you ready? Let's go! First letter is A. A. A is for apple. B. B. B is for ball. C. C. C is for cat. D. D. D is for dog. E. E. E is for elephant. F. F. F is for fish. G. G. G is for grapes. H. H. H is for horse. I. I is for igloo. J. J. J is for jug. K. K. K is for kite. L. L. L is for lion. M. M. M is for monkey. N. N. N is for nest. O. O. O is for owl. P. P. P is for parrot. Q. Q. Q is for queen. R. R. R is for rose. S. S. S is for sun. T. T. T is for tortoise. U. U. U is for umbrella. V. V. V is for van. W. W. W is for wolf. X. X. X is for Xmas tree. Y. Y. Y is for yak. Z. Z. Z is for zebra. Great. Let's repeat. A. B. C. D. E. F. G. H. I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. You are amazing. Thanks for watching. If you like, please like, subscribe and share. Bye-bye.